Hello, today I'm going to show you how to play The Detective, which is from the current grade 1 syllabus. I'm going to go through the whole song bit by bit and show you exactly what notes to play with what fingers. If you need to, just pause the video and rewind it if you missed something. Alright, let's get started. So, the piece of music starts like this. I'm going to play the first 4 bars. Okay, so the left hand notes go E, F, D, D, C, B, A. You should use fingers 2, 1, 3. Switch your finger from 3 to 1, still on D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your right hand and you play A to C with fingers 2, 3, 4. And you're actually just stuck really on those notes for now. You go 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so when you're playing that part, you're starting on finger 3. You go up to the top finger, and just remember that you've got a gap here between finger 2 and finger 1, where you're skipping over this G, F, E, like that. F, E goes over the top. Okay, and then the right hand comes in. Okay, so let me go again from the beginning. So E 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, F 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, D 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 with the skip. Finger 2 goes over. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now the phrase is quite similar. Again, we have okay. Should we look? I think we should look at the music. Just it's going to help us see this a little bit clearly. Oops. Okay, so here we go. This is the first phrase. I'm going to circle the first phrase in green. I can't sing. The first time around it finishes on. And the second time around it just goes. Finishes on E here. Yeah? Okay, and the left hand notes change. Okay, so when I just annotate these, goes E, F, D, and then this time around goes A, D, D sharp. Huh? Yeah, pretty cool. Okay, so let's do this so you can see my hands. Ending on A. D sharp. And we finish on both E's at the top there. So let's just repeat the second 4-bar phrase just one more time so you can see what happens. Finish on E, on A here. D, D sharp. E's together. Okay, so that's the first 8 bars. We're going to continue on for the next part of the music. Okay, so the next, let's do the next 4 bars. Yeah, I remember this part's a bit tricky for some students. So, let's do hands together. That makes a bit more sense. So, let's do that again. So, so the left hand goes C sharp, A, D, C natural, B, G, C, B. Yeah. right hand goes, we have like two kind of, I could delve into music theory, that's A mixolydian, but don't worry about that. A, B, C sharp. Is it A mixolydian? Don't think too much about it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. G, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. No, it's not even A mixolydian. Never mind. See, I'm not that great at jazz theory. I'm just great at teaching piano. All right. And humble as well. Okay. Shush, Philip. It's not about jokes. It's about tutorials. Okay. Did you get that so far? Are we good? Sorry, but I've got a bit of runny nose today. Right, so C sharp, this scale pattern from A, B, C, thumb under for D, D, E, F, G, F. And there's some left hand notes that go with that. So C sharp, A, B, C sharp, together A and D here. Okay, left hand keeps going up. Together we have D and F. Left hand on its own. One more time, without speaking. Okay, now this time around the left hand is gonna stay, it's staying in the kind of the same 5-finger position from G to D, but now we're just gonna use finger 3, 5, 2, 3. And then the right hand goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. It's kind of practicing some scales here. B, G, A, B. Together we have G and C. I'm trying to do this in one take, so excuse me. G and C. E and F, C and E. Okay, so that's the next 4 bars. Now we're going to move on. Last part of the music. Should I annotate that as well? Did you find that useful? Let's do some annotations here quickly. So this is C sharp, A, D, C, B, G, C, B, A. C, A, D, C, B, G, C, B. Okay, and let's move on. Let's finish it off. Okay, so here it goes like this. Okay, so let's just do that 4-bar phrase for now. So right hand is on so we're on a D to A 5-finger position. We go 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. We have to reach out of that 5-finger position to B. 1, 2, 1. Okay, good. And then there's one more. We take our hand down to C. We go C, D, C, F, E, D, C, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. Actually, let's zoom in for this part a little bit. That will help us. Okay, so again. Okay, so 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3, 2, while the left hand goes A, G sharp, A, E, finger 2, and the left hand D, E, D, 5, D, E, D, A, C, D, C, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, we have like a little flashback here, which is sort of similar to the beginning of the song, but the left hand does different notes. Yeah, okay. So let's do that again. We were circling it in green. We have 2 green bubbles and then 1 red one, which is slightly different. And we have a finish of the song as well. So okay, so left hand starts on A, F, E. Let's just do that for now. We'll do the last part in a second. A, F, E. Oh, I'm not even in the shot here. A, F, E. You can use finger 1, 3, 4, but to be honest, I'm not too bothered. You can probably get away with 1, 2, 3. Yeah, doesn't really make a difference. I use 1, 3, 4, and again I go. I go down to E. E, F, E, C natural. Oh, we have a G sharp though. C, B, A, G sharp, A. E, F, E, C, B, A, G sharp, A. So left hand. A, so that left hand goes A, F, thumb goes under for E, C, A. So it's sort of like a a tonic at the top. So you've got A and A here at the bottom and at the top, like an octave with an F over here. Okay, so you can I always say go finger 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 1, 3. You could probably do 5 notes like that, but that's a really uncomfortable position. Just go 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 5. Yeah, you can see in the music. 1, 3, 1, 3, 5. And now here we're going to learn a little new word. The word is poco rit and a tempo. Actually, we're going to look up a couple of new words. Poco rit. Poco is Italian for little, and rit is short for ritardando or ritenuto, which means to slow down, to gradually slow down. So we're going to do a little slowing down. Maybe grab your pencil. My students are going to know I'm very pedantic about using a pencil. Don't use a pen because you're going to make a mistake and then you're going to have a big mistake written in your book. Little, can you see? You can't see that color. Let's do it in a different color. Let's do it in green. So poco rit means little slowing down. Okay, then a tempo. Tempo, we know what the word tempo means, yeah? A tempo translates to English as back to the original tempo. Write that in your book as well. Back to the original tempo. Okay? So, how are we going to perform this? Okay, so let's just do this last part. I'm going to go from where it says dim. You guys know what dim means? Diminuendo. It means slowing, gradually getting quieter. That's what diminuendo means. So poco rit. So actually, I'll play from a little bit earlier. I'll go from where it says MP, mezzo piano. So yeah, I've got a steady tempo, and now I'm going to slow down a little bit. Little slowing down. Back to the original tempo. you see I'm holding that A the whole time. Yeah. So I'm going to do it again, but without speaking, so you can just listen to it and observe those performance directions. Let's do it like that so you can see me play and look at the music at the same time. Okay. Okay, I hope you followed along that tutorial and found that useful. Please leave a comment if you have any feedback. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Bye.